Hey guys, so in a lot of my videos, I always talk about how to save money, how to invest properly, and how to protect yourself financially through retirement. But every now and again, I'd like to give you guys some ways to make more money after your 9-to-5 job, especially if you're someone who could do a little bit of work online, but also likes more of the hands-on approach to making money as well. Now, I can speak for myself when I say that after my 9-to-5 job, I come home and I start doing my online side hustle for YouTube. But in the past, I used to DJ big events and weddings, and that was more of my hands-on approach to making money as my side hustle. Nowadays, to have a really good side hustle, you have to know how to make money online and how to make money in person. So why not combine both ideas into one? Well guys, in case you're new around here, my name's Nima. Welcome to the channel and thanks for clicking in. I'm a corporate executive with over 15 years of experience in sales and finance. My videos break down difficult financial concepts in an easy way to help you on your financial journey, whether you're just starting out or if you're already a seasoned pro. So let's jump into today's topic, which is 8 ways to make money online on TaskRabbit with ChatGPT. So guys, if you like helping out at parties or decorating things or doing home repairs, providing cleanup services, putting together furniture, or helping someone move things around, I mean, heck, you could even organize someone's closet and get paid for it. Now, if you are interested in things like that, well then, I think this video is perfect for you. Companies like TaskRabbit and ChatGPT are all the rave now, and linking them together is going to help you make money with these services. Now, the people that sign up for this service are called taskers, and they actually get paid a good amount of money. In fact, you can charge whatever hourly rate you want. Just check out these examples on financebuzz.com, where it says cleaners are charging a minimum of $40 an hour, or even the fact that you can literally wait in line for people who want to go to an event like a concert and make $30 an hour. Or you could organize someone's closet and earn $35 an hour. Now, over time, guys, all that money can really add up. If you worked, let's say, just 10 hours a week, for example, and you charged a minimum of $20 an hour, you'd be earning $800 extra per month fairly easily. And guys, to be honest, that's on the low end. There are taskers out there that are currently earning about $150,000 a year. Now, if you've been looking to make more money while keeping your 9-to-5 job, then this may truly be the best way to go. You can work at your pace and make $800 to even $12,000 a month. And with that being said, I want you to stay tuned because I'm going to share a lot of ways that you can make it happen. Just make sure you watch till the very end because I think the last one that I'm going to tell you about is going to be the most lucrative and profitable one for you. Alright guys, so let me quickly explain what TaskRabbit even is if you don't know it already. TaskRabbit is an online service that matches freelance workers or people willing to take on side gigs with those needing services. These services often involve things around the home, from scheduling appointments to landscaping to moving furniture assembly or other things that I've discussed already. But these taskers, as they call it, can also complete jobs for businesses or for home offices such as data entry, virtual assistant services, and even light marketing tasks. Basically guys, it's like Fiverr, but the main difference is that Fiverr primarily focuses on digital services, while TaskRabbit focuses on local, in-person services. Basically, in layman's terms, it connects users with local freelancers who can help with various chores and tasks around the home or office. And the reason I've made this video is because you might be surprised that AI platforms like ChatGPT can actually help you become a better tasker. Now, while ChatGPT can't take over the running errands or tightening the screws on your IKEA furniture, it can at least help you run errands more efficiently or even turn furniture assembly into full-scale home design services. Now, by expanding the variety of jobs that you can complete for people or helping you level up your services, you can expand your company base and even charge more money. So, there is this guy by the name of Brian Prince, who's the CEO of TopAITools.com, which is an AI resource and educational hub, and he says that we have a history of 5,000 years as humans where tools have just advanced civilization for those people who know how to use them. The people who know how to use these tools, including ChatGPT, effectively are going to get paid a lot more than the rest of the people in the world. And he's not wrong, guys. Let me break down these 8 ways to use ChatGPT to elevate your customer experience the next time you complete your TaskRabbit project. So, first on the list is to offer landscaping and design services. Now, many people are turning to TaskRabbit to find someone to mow their lawns for them. But what if you could tap into ChatGPT's knowledge base and launch a full-fledged landscaping and gardening design service instead? If high school, college kids were looking to make some money this summer mowing lawns, I would tell them to use ChatGPT to generate some gardening tips and a care schedule. For example, use ChatGPT to provide insight on plant care, watering schedules, soil preparation, pest control, and seasonal maintenance. You can use that same strategy to create a care schedule for the garden, make designs, and carry a regular schedule of services with the customers to where you are guaranteed an income from that property every month. By making yourself an expert using ChatGPT, you'll literally be unstoppable. Now, second on my list is that you can start an auto detailing service using tips and advice from ChatGPT. With the advanced paid version of ChatGPT, you can even surf the web to find the lowest prices on soap, sponges, car wax, and other tools that you'll need as a professional detailer. Prince suggested using ChatGPT to help you create a summary of services for your clients as well, so they understand the value that they're getting. He said you could do that on tasks that are lower end and make them seem like higher level solutions and charge a higher rate. You can go from saying you wash cars to presenting yourself as a full service luxury auto detailing service. Now, third on the list is to offer home design services. Now, there's a list of popular categories on services on TaskRabbit relating to helping people move, putting together furniture, painting their homes, and other handyman type tasks. You can use ChatGPT to research ideas and trends in home design and then offer value-added services ranging from positioning furniture properly to making the best use of space, organizing closets, or even decorating a home. Now, to go back to Prince's advice, he says, let ChatGPT help you become an expert in areas where you already have a natural aptitude and interest. You'll be more valuable to your customers and be able to charge more. Now guys, before I dive into the fourth strategy on the list, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Your support helps this channel grow, so please show some love by smashing that like button, commenting down below, and subscribing. Now guys, the fourth item on this list is that house cleaning is another easy task that you can upsell with cleaning solutions. Now, of course, you'll know the basics of simple house cleaning solutions, but using ChatGPT, it'll provide you with some creative ideas that maybe your house cleaning competitors wouldn't even think of. For example, a simple search would tell you that you could outcompete your competitors by doing things like providing laundry and ironing services, window cleaning, appliance deep cleaning like your ovens and your refrigerators. You can do garage and basement cleaning, etc. Again, back to what Prince was saying, he said that instead of just saying, I clean houses for $20 an hour, you can use ChatGPT to find alternative cleaning solutions that people need and that other cleaners might not do. Then I can present my services as deep cleaning and then charge a higher price. Now guys, fifth on the list is that TaskRabbit has a whole category of tasks related to baby prep. This includes everything from room organization to baby proofing. Even if you aren't an expert and don't have kids of your own, you can use ChatGPT to research baby-proofing essentials very quickly. You can offer multiple packages showing parents how to baby-proof, install items your client has already purchased, or purchase and install baby-proofing materials for them while organizing their home to be a safe haven for their new addition. Now, sixth on my list is that recent studies have showed that people preferred AI-written content for short, persuasive content. Now, that makes ChatGPT an ideal companion if you want to make money on TaskRabbit, managing social media and posting content for different companies. Prince was saying that many small businesses could use social media services because they don't have the time to do it themselves. And also, they might not have a budget to hire an agency. So, using ChatGPT to help you create posts, can give you an edge over your competitors. Now guys, 7th on the list is that you can also use ChatGPT to write first drafts of marketing emails. Combine it with other tools like Dolly to create artwork for email campaigns. The possibilities are endless once you start using AI to offer virtual assistant services. Prince had mentioned that you can employ a couple of different tools to manage marketing emails for different companies. That way, you can provide virtual assistant services to a large base of clientele without having to manually manage all of their emails. And guys, last but not least, number 8 on my list is you can use ChatGPT to market your services. And the reason I think this is good is that while most of tasks above focus on servicing clients, Prince pointed out another way that you could use ChatGPT to make more money on TaskRabbit. He said that you could use ChatGPT for marketing ideas to promote your TaskRabbit business and to write task descriptions that will make it easier for people to find you on the platform. Overall, Prince advised that you use AI to set yourself apart from the pack regarding your presentation and professionalism, whatever services that you offer on TaskRabbit. So guys, combining TaskRabbit with ChatGPT can significantly enhance your side hustle by offering diverse and high-value services. You can do this by leveraging AI to improve efficiency and expand your skill set. You can attract more clients by doing this and increase your earnings. So that wraps up the video, and I want to thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share it with anyone who might be struggling with their finances. If you have your own financial experiences or suggestions, go ahead and please don't hesitate to share them down in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more videos every week. I'll catch you all in the next video.